Lesson: Ethical Considerations and Responsible AI in Future Prompting. Ethical considerations and responsible AI usage are pivotal in the evolving field of prompt engineering. As AI systems become more integrated into daily life, their capacity to influence decision-making processes, social interactions, and personal privacy raises significant ethical concerns. This lesson aims to equip professionals with actionable insights, practical tools, and step-by-step applications to navigate these challenges effectively. Ethical considerations in AI prompting begin with understanding bias and fairness. AI systems, including those used in prompt engineering, often inherit biases present in their training data. This can lead to skewed interpretations and outputs that may perpetuate stereotypes or unfair treatment of certain groups. For instance, a study highlighted that AI models trained on datasets with gender-biased language resulted in outputs that reinforced gender stereotypes. To counteract this, professionals must employ techniques such as bias detection and mitigation. Tools like IBM's AI Fairness 360 and Google's What If tool provide frameworks for analyzing and reducing bias in AI models. These tools allow prompt engineers to test their models against fairness metrics, identify potential biases, and apply adjustments to training data or algorithms to promote equitable outcomes. Transparency and accountability are also critical ethical considerations. Users should have a clear understanding of how AI systems make decisions, especially in high-stakes scenarios. The concept of explainable AI is instrumental in achieving this transparency. XAI frameworks, such as LIME and SHAP, offer methodologies for interpreting complex model predictions. By using these tools, professionals can break down AI decision processes into comprehensible components, facilitating user trust and accountability. For example, a healthcare AI application employing SHAP can elucidate why a particular diagnosis was suggested, enabling healthcare professionals to verify and justify decisions to patients. Privacy concerns are another focal point in responsible AI prompting. AI systems often require large datasets, which can include sensitive personal information. Ensuring data privacy and security is paramount. Techniques such as differential privacy and federated learning provide robust frameworks to protect user data. Differential privacy introduces statistical noise to datasets, safeguarding individual privacy while maintaining data utility. Federated learning, on the other hand, allows AI models to be trained across decentralized devices without sharing raw data, thus enhancing privacy. These methods are crucial for professionals who need to balance data utility with privacy obligations, especially when handling sensitive information such as medical records or financial data. The ethical implications of AI extend to the potential for misuse and unintended consequences. For instance, AI prompting systems can be manipulated to generate misleading information or deepfakes with significant societal implications. To address this, prompt engineers must incorporate robust validation and monitoring mechanisms. Tools like OpenAI's GPT-3 have built-in moderation layers that help detect and prevent harmful content generation. Moreover, professionals should implement continuous monitoring systems to track AI outputs and ensure they align with ethical guidelines and organizational values. This proactive approach helps mitigate risks associated with AI misuse and fosters a culture of responsibility and vigilance. A practical example of ethical AI prompting can be seen in the implementation of chatbots in customer service. These AI-driven systems must navigate the fine line between efficiency and empathy. Ensuring that chatbots maintain a respectful and understanding tone while providing accurate information is essential. Companies like Microsoft have integrated ethical guidelines into their AI development processes, emphasizing the importance of designing chatbots that prioritize user respect and data privacy. By incorporating ethical frameworks into the development lifecycle, professionals can create AI systems that not only meet business objectives, but also uphold ethical standards. AI prompting also requires an understanding of legal and regulatory frameworks. Legislation such as the General Data Protection Regulation in Europe sets stringent standards for data protection and privacy. Professionals must ensure that their AI systems comply with such regulations to avoid legal repercussions and maintain user trust. This involves implementing data management practices that align with regulatory requirements, conducting regular audits, and staying informed about evolving legal standards. The use of compliance management tools can aid in automating and streamlining these processes, ensuring that AI prompting remains within legal boundaries. Education and awareness are fundamental to fostering a culture of ethical AI usage. Training programs and workshops can play a significant role in equipping professionals with the knowledge and skills needed to address ethical challenges. Organizations should prioritize continuous learning opportunities that cover the latest advancements in AI ethics, bias mitigation techniques, and regulatory changes. By investing in education, companies can empower their employees to make informed decisions and advocate for responsible AI practices within their teams. Collaboration and stakeholder engagement are also crucial elements in promoting ethical and responsible AI prompting. Engaging diverse stakeholders, including ethicists, legal experts, and community representatives, can provide valuable perspectives and enhance decision-making processes. This collaborative approach ensures that AI systems are developed with a comprehensive understanding of their potential impacts and ethical considerations. By fostering open dialogue and collaboration, organizations can build AI solutions that are not only innovative, but also aligned with societal values and expectations. In conclusion, ethical considerations and responsible AI prompting are integral to the development and deployment of AI systems. By leveraging tools and frameworks for bias detection, transparency, privacy protection, and legal compliance, professionals can navigate the complex ethical landscape of AI. Continuous education, stakeholder engagement, and proactive monitoring further enhance the ability to create AI solutions that are ethical, fair, and trustworthy. As AI continues to evolve, maintaining a focus on ethical principles will be essential to harnessing its potential for positive societal impact.